We did this one, right?
Well, you did it. I just did this.
And then we did this one.
What the heck is that? The mutter is belting.
Melting, not belting.
You said the mutter. The mutter is melting. Belting. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Action.
Hey everybody, and welcome to What's Next with Stephanie in the kitchen. Today I have my niece with me. She's gonna be making a delicious dessert. So I hope everybody is doing well. And let's get started. Alright, Noni. Leandra. I call her the Noni, but her name is Leandra. Ready?
Yep.
Go!
So I'm gonna be making the chocolate chip, Oreo, and the brownie. So,
Chocolate chip
brownie.
Oreo brownie recipe. Oh, sounds delicious already.
It is.
Chocolate. Alright, so you got the chocolate chip, you got the Oreo, you got the brownies.
The eggs, the butter, the Oreo.
So let's start. What do you want me to do?
Alright.
I'm following you.
First you could start by.
So you want to do that, and how about you do the mix, and I'll do the butter.
You do that one? Oh no.
So you can have everything.
Alright. So the oven temp has to be 350.
Okay, so I'm gonna preheat the oven. Oh. Okay. Alright, oven preheating. Make sure I didn't have nothing else in the oven.
Alright. Put that there.
Got it. Is this your favorite dessert?
Yes, it really is.
Ooh. Alright, so while you're doing this, you want me to, do I have to butter this up now?
Yes, and then we're gonna put the chocolate chip on top, and then the Oreos, and then the brownie.
Oh, okay. So while you're doing that, I'm gonna start buttering.
Alright.
Right? Do you want me to butter the whole thing, all the way to the top?
Yeah, until like half everything.
Alright. Look at her, she brought all her ingredients. She got a little egg, she even got the butter. Alright, get going.
Alright, so 3 tablespoons of water. But put the egg, crack them here.
Oh, okay. You can, whatever you want to do. Well, how do you crack it usually? With a fork? With a spoon? With a knife?
I just go like this.
Okay.
I just go like this.
However it is that you do.
I just go like this.
If you need to use the sink on the side, use it. However you're comfortable doing it. Okay, there we go.
Alright.
Okay, so you did the tablespoons of water, you did the oil. That calls for 2 eggs.
Yep. 1. Oops. I think I made a mess here. Alright, 2. Now.
Alright. Okay.
Now
So what do you need?
we mix.
We mix. It smells good already. That's what's good about the brownie. This is this fudge brownie? Like the fudge kind?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You get that thickness. I have to look to the back, you guys, because I have Maddie in the back. Okay, what else do you want me to do?
Alright. Open the cookie dough.
This looks delicious. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, go ahead.
Alright.
Sorry.
The scissors. Alright.
Is this good enough?
Yes, it looks good.
Cause you're the boss.
We take the bits of cookie dough and then we spread it.
Okay, I want to make sure that everybody can see, so I'm going to just bring that over here. Alright, so now, first thing is we're going to take the cookie dough. Go ahead.
Alright.
I can help you. Can I eat the cookie dough? No, you shouldn't eat the cookie dough. Even though everybody, oh, you want me to spread it?
Yeah, spread it and then we place it on.
Okay.
Then spread it out here.
Ooh. I'll just put it and then you can actually just.
Yeah.
Alright, so. Okay, so this is the last little bit. Let's
Put it right there.
just put it right and just smush it in there. Alright, so that's all the cookie dough in there.
Yep.
Nice and smushed in the bottom of the pan. Alright.
Alright. It looks really good.
It does look really good. Now what do we do?
We take the Oreos and then we place them on top of in a row.
Like this?
Yeah, in a row.
Alright. Can I go this way?
Yeah. I usually fit like 5 in a row. I squeeze them in there.
Squeeze that Oreo in there. You good, girl. Can we break one? Should we break one?
Should we?
Oh no, I mean I'm following you. If you usually
Oh, that one broke.
are able to squeeze some in there, I
I
can
think
just.
I'll just break it. Go like that.
How about you use the bigger one? Oh well, it's done now.
It's already stuck. Alright, put this one on the side, underneath, right there.
Let me know down in the comments if you've made this recipe before. How'd it come out? Did you enjoy it? I mean, it looks like it's gonna be delicious. So the brownies go right on top.
Yeah.
Alright you guys, so it's cookie dough. You just lay them flat right on the bottom of the pan. Don't forget to put your spread, which we put the margarine or butter, whatever it is that you have in the bottom. We got the cookie dough. She got the Oreos all done. Now, use this.
Yeah.
I'll hold the pan and you got the thing.
Oh no.
It's pretty thick. If you guys love chocolate, that this will be the recipe for you. Because brownies, good. Chocolate chip, good. And then you have Oreos. Good. Three good. Oh, you got that one?
Right here. There's still a lot in here. It's thick.
3 good items. I love.
Yeah, let me just spread it out. So I'm spreading the brownie mix above here. So it could be even. Right. So it looks pretty even. I don't know if I should still add. Yeah. Might just add this a little bit here. Put that there.
All right.
Looks pretty good.
Oh, look at that. Looks good. Okay, what do we do now?
Now we put this in the oven for 20.
The oven. Yep, the oven is ready. Okay, so the oven was already preheated to 350. We're gonna put these bad boys in there. And we're gonna set the timer to what?
22 to 25 minutes.
Alright, so 20 minutes passed. Well, actually 25 minutes passed. We actually put it for 3 more minutes. So it all together it took about 28 minutes. So it's ready to take it out. Let's see. I'm gonna put this on the counter first. No, because that thing's gonna be hot. Alright.
It looks good.
It does look good. Not only looks good, ooh, it smells delicious. Too bad there's no smell-o-vision, so you guys can't smell it. Alright. It is really hot, so should we wait for it to cool down or start cutting it? And get the stuff out of the freezer?
We could wait and then get the stuff out the freezer now.
Okay.
And then as soon as we get it out, we could.
Alright, so while this is cooling, we're actually gonna get the ice cream and the fudge.
Yeah.
The ice cream and the fudge out of the freezer. Get everything here. Get everything set and put it all together. While this is cooling, you know what I was noticing? That not only this is chocolate chip cookie in here, you know this girl went and also bought chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream.
I like chocolate.
It's hers. And we also have
Strawberry.
Strawberry. I like strawberry. I mean, chocolate chip cookie dough
forget about
is
the
really
fudge.
good. And then, we're gonna put fudge on top.
I'm gonna put fudge.
Fudge on top. Chocolate with chocolate with chocolate and with a little bit more chocolate. Alright, so I think we're ready. You wanna see if we can cut into this?
Yeah.
I actually like it a little bit warm because it likes to. No. Oh my goodness, this is really. So good.
Careful with that.
It is hot.
You gonna taste it? Should I show them?
Yep, I cut out, I'm just gonna finish cutting these out. We're not gonna put the toppings on all of them, just the ones that we're gonna eat. Because I'm not sure who else would wanna, I don't know why wouldn't they want a topping, but you know, like my mom, if she's gonna come and taste it, she usually won't have ice cream, and I know my brother's gonna come, my sister.
Everyone.
Yeah, everybody's waiting for them. They look delicious. Look at that. They look delicious. I kind of tasted a little bit because it was on my fingers, but let's start putting the toppings on some of them.
Alright. So I know I'm going with the cookie dough.
Hey.
What you?
Alright, so you'll do the cookie dough,
and you do it.
and I'll do the strawberries.
Okay.
You know what? I'm gonna change my piece.
You are?
Yeah. Actually, it looks pretty good. Never mind. I don't want to change my piece.
Oh, it's melting. Alright.
Since they're so tiny, I'm just gonna use a little scooper.
You put it on top. Oh, look at that. Alright. Cover this back up.
So like that, we'll have both.
I'm having technical difficulties over here.
Oh, it's melting.
Mm-hmm.
You can tell because of the... Because it's still hot. But it looks good. Alright. Come on, Lee. Because I want to taste these.
You're gonna have some of this?
Yep. Everything you put. Ooh, do that to mine too.
Oh.
That did not come out like yours. Mind you, was just like it's supposed to look nice.
You want me to do it again?
No, but you do it again. We were supposed to do it the first time. That's alright. Look at these. Don't they look? Okay, so we put the ice cream on it. Got the fudge on it. But as you can see, the ice cream is already starting to melt. Let's go ahead and taste it. Oh, everything's falling apart.
It's good to me.
It's still nice and moist. But moist and crunchy at the same time. The ice cream just kind of puts it all together. Really good.
I like the cookie dough.
Yeah, because we have cookie dough ice cream, and we had chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream with chocolate chip in here too. They're really good. This is a really good recipe.
Thank you.
If you guys try this, make sure you just let me know in the comments if you tried it before, if you made it, and how they came out. If you actually tried it with different cookie, or what do you put on? Excuse me, I can't even talk. What do you put on top? I mean,
it's melted.
We put ice cream and more Oreo on top. But let me know down in the comments what do you think about this recipe, and if you like it, and if you have any other recipes that you would like for us to try, just let me know down in the comments, and we can try those here too. It was really good. Good job. Alright, so I'm gonna have my sister, my brother, because they're waiting for some nice desserts too. So I hope you like it. I don't know if you guys seen the rest of them. They're right here. So tell everybody exactly what you did really quick.
Alright. So like how I made it, or like
the ingredients.
Alright. So there's chocolate chip cookies, there's Oreos, and there's the brownie mix.
Alright, so there you have it. You need chocolate chip cookie dough, and then
Oreos.
the Oreos on top of that, and then you take the brownie mix and you put it right on top of that. And like I said, once it's done, we topped it off with she wanted ice cream, so we put ice cream on top with some fudge, and then we just added more Oreo cookies to it. But you can add whatever it is that you like on top of yours, and let me know. See if you like it. If you don't like it, just still let me know. And please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, ding, so you can see all the other videos that are coming up in What's Next with Stephanie in the Kitchen. And I will be having more guests soon, so stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching. Bye.